Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear children. You may be expecting Shamla Miss, but Miss is not well. That is why I am taking class for you. Okay? Ready? Okay. And last week your topic was so interesting, isn't it? So much interesting because so many games you have seen on the screen. What a lovely play they were doing, right? Isn't it? Okay, so just I will give out the words. I am not going to show you the picture. I am going to show you only the words on the board which you had learned last week. Okay, and you want to read it. As usual, what I am saying, don't learn the spelling by heart, but you want to look and identify the word and you have to read the word. Ready? Okay, so all the four names of the games are written on the board and you are going to read it for me. Ready? And look, what is the first word? Which is the first word on the board? I will give you some clues, okay? There will be two teams and there will be 11 players in each team and it is played with foot. Which plays it? Yes, football. Which plays it? Which game it is? Yes, football. Okay, you can read it. You can remember the things also related with football. Okay, now you look at the next word. Which is that word? That is also a game which can be played in singles or doubles. And we are using a racket or a bat and a shuttlecock also. Which play it is? Which play it is? Which game? Yes, badminton. What is it? Badminton. Which game it is? Badminton. Okay. And the third one. You may be reading basketball. And basketball also 2 teams will be there and 5 players. One team 5 players and the other team also 5 players. And they will be there will be one ball they have to put in the court, in the basket of the other team. Right? Yes. And the last game which you had learned last week. Yes, very interesting. Cricket. What is it? Cricket. There will be 2 teams and 11 players on both the team. Right? Okay. Yes, in cricket also you have seen the famous players in cricket like Sachin Tendulkar, Dhoni, Kohli, Virat Kohli, so many other, no? So you may be very interesting. And today also I am going to show you some live matches, okay, live matches of some of the games. So you can watch it on the screen. Ready? Okay. Okay, Muckles, you have seen which game it is. Do you know which game is that? Yes, it is hockey. Which game it is? Hockey. Do you know? Have you seen this game before? Maybe in TV you had watched it, right? Yes, it is an outdoor play. Okay, outdoor means inside the house we can't play this game. നമ്മൾ വീട്ടിനകത്ത് കളിക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല. നമ്മൾ പുറത്ത് കളിക്കുന്ന ഒരു ഗെയിമാണ്. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് കോൾഡ് ഹോക്കി. യു നോ ഹോക്കി ഈസ് അവർ നാഷണൽ ഗെയിം. You have learned our national animal, our national bird, our national flower, everything. Like that, our national game is hockey. Our national game is hockey. And you know, there will be 2 teams in hockey. There will be 2 teams in hockey. And in each team, there will be 11 players. How many players in each team? 11 players. Okay, and what are the things used for playing this hockey? Yes, there will be hockey stick and a ball. And the ball is, we are using this hockey stick to kick the ball to the board, to the court of the other team. Okay, we are using this hockey stick to kick the ball to the court of the other team. Right, so you had watched it carefully. I know that you had watched it carefully, and you know who are the famous players in hockey. One man is there in India. Know his name? His name is Dhyan Chand. Look his photo on the screen. Dhyan Chand. He is called the magician of hockey and the wizard of Indian hockey. Okay, he is that much a good player. He is world famous and he is called the wizard of Indian hockey. Okay, so you understood hockey is our national game, and there will be 2 teams with 11 players on both sides, and it is played with a hockey stick and a ball. Okay, and the famous player is Dhyan Chand. Right? Okay, and you know what is the spelling of hockey? What is the spelling of hockey? All of you spell it loudly. ഉറക്കെ പറഞ്ഞേ. Yes, HOCKEY. Hockey. What is it? Hockey. What is it? Hockey. So once again you tell me, Muckles, which is the game which we have seen just now? Hockey. So which is our national game? Hockey. And how many teams will be there in hockey game? 2 teams, and each team there will be 11 players. How many players? 11 players. And with what we are playing the hockey? With the hockey stick and a ball. Okay, and what is the spelling of hockey? HOCKEY. Okay, now you look onto the board. Next live match you can see. Okay, which game is that? You have to tell me. Okay, maybe you have watched this in the sports channel, and many Indian players are famous for this game. Okay, please look onto the board and watch the match.
Especially on that forehand, Josh, 9 of the 15 have come from that side. Got to keep an eye on that shot. Well, this is like 3 set points. And again, lethal off that backhand wing.
Okay, how is the match, Muckles? I know you have all seen this. Okay, not might, you all have seen this game in the TV, and you know which game is that? It is tennis. Which game is it? Tennis. Tennis. And the original name of tennis is lawn tennis. Lawn tennis. You don't want to bother that. You just learn the name tennis. Okay, it is tennis. And how many players can play? Single player on both. There will be two. Single or doubles they can play. Two teams will be the single or doubles they can play. And what are the things used? In badminton they are using racket and shuttlecock, right? Here in tennis the players are using racket and ball. Tennis ball. Okay, in tennis the players are using the racket, that means bat, and tennis ball. Okay, and now I will show you some of the players, important players of tennis. And look onto the board. Yes, this is the first one is Serena Williams. Serena Williams. Then the next one is Leander Paes. Then Sania Mirza. Then Mahesh Bhupadi. Mahesh Bhupadi. The first one is Serena Williams. Second one is Leander Paes. Third one is Sania Mirza. And the last one is Mahesh Bhupadi. And they are great players of India, as well as Serena Williams is not from India, but the others are from India. Okay, so they are great players of tennis. So shall we look the spelling of tennis? Okay, what is the spelling of tennis? Look onto the board. T-E-N-N-I-S. T-E-N-N-I-S. Tennis. So look, Muggles, which game you had watched now? Tennis. Okay, what is the original name of tennis? Lawn tennis. Lawn tennis. Okay, and how many teams will be there? There will be two opponents. It can be played single or in doubles. Okay, it can be played on one side one and the other side one. It can be played like that, or two on one side and two on one side, like that we can play. Okay, and it is played with racket and tennis ball. Racket and tennis ball. And who are the famous players of tennis? In tennis? Yes, Serena Williams, Sania Mirza, Leander Paes and Mahesh Bhupadi. Okay, okay. And what is the spelling of tennis? T-E-N-N-I-S. Tennis. Okay, and now the third game you can see on the board. It is you may not be much familiar about the game, but it is very interesting game. Some of you might have seen in films, so many Tamil films we can see this game, and even in Malayalam films also we can see this game. Just watch it. After that I will give you the description. Okay.
The 2016 Kabaddi World Cup final. India in the blue, Iran in their black and green. Here we go in Anup Kumar with the first raid.
Such a familiar sight, but what is not a familiar sight is Anup Kumar looking for a diving hand touch and not looking for the bonus or the toe touch, because Fazal Atrachali is on the left corner.
You're going to hear Fazal Atrachali's name a heck of a lot. He's in the #1 shirt for Iran. He's arguably the best defender running around.
Abul Fazal, first touch.
Gets Abul Fazal, handy one to take out of contention too. So first point in this final goes to India.
Okay, you have watched a game on the board. You know what is the name of that game? It is Kabaddi. Which game it is? Kabaddi. Which game it is? Kabaddi. Look, what is that? You know where it first started? This game was first originated in Tamil Nadu. Our state is Kerala, no? But near to our neighboring state is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is the first kali started. Okay, over 4,000 years ago. 4,000 years ago, this game was originated in Tamil Nadu. And you know, Muckles, there will be 2 teams, and each team there will be 7 players. There will be 2 teams, and each team there will be 7 players. Okay, and how is this game is, the one single rider from a group will go to the next group and try to touch the defenders on the other team. If he touch it and came back to their court, they will be the winners. Okay, പറഞ്ഞ മനസ്സിലായോ? ഈ ഒരു ടീമിലത്തെ ഒരാള് റൈഡർ എന്നാണ് അയാളുടെ പേര്, റൈഡർ എന്നാണ് വിളിക്കുക. ആ റൈഡർ പോയി ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് ടീമിലുള്ള ആൾക്കാരെ തൊടണം. തൊട്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞ് തിരിച്ച് അവരുടെ കോർട്ടിലേക്ക് തന്നെ അവർ തിരിച്ചു വരണം. തിരിച്ചു വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അവർ ജയിച്ചു. ഇപ്പം ഈ ആളെ തൊടാൻ പോകുമ്പോൾ മറ്റേ ടീമുകാർ ഈ ആളെ അവിടെ പിടിച്ചു നിർത്തിയാൽ എന്ത് സംഭവിക്കും? ഇവർ തോൽക്കും. Understood? This is the game called Kabaddi. Kabaddi. So shall we look the spelling of Kabaddi there? Yes. The spelling of Kabaddi is K-A-B-A-D-I. K-A-B-A-D-I. Kabaddi. What is the spelling of Kabaddi? K-A-B-A-D-I. Okay. Okay, Muckles, now you have seen the game called Kabaddi, and it was originated in Tamil Nadu 4,000 years ago, and there will be 2 teams with 7 players, and there will be a rider in it. Okay, or a rider or raider will be there in that to touch the other team members, defenders team. Okay, so that is the game, and there is also one more game in your textbook. I will just explain about it, and after that we can conclude our class. Okay, and the last game in your textbook is volleyball. Volleyball, which is the last game in your book? Volleyball. So please watch the live volleyball match on the screen. Okay, have you seen the match, Muckles? Yes, this is volleyball. It is also played with ball. Okay, but it is not with the foot. It is with the hand. As in basketball, this is also played with hand. Okay, the ball will be there, but there will be a net separating the 2 teams. There are 2 teams with 6 players on each team. On each team there will be 6 players, and they are separated by a net. Okay, 3 out of the 6 players, 3 will be standing in the front row and 3 will be standing in the back row. Okay, and this is played like this. They have to kick the ball, and the ball should not fall down. Okay, if it is falling down, the score will go to the opposite team. Okay, who is kicking, that team will get the score. So in the volleyball there are 6 players in 2 teams, 6 players in each team, and 3 will be standing in the front and 3 will be standing in the back row, and they both are separate. The teams are separated by a net in the center. Okay, I will show you the picture of a man who is one of the famous player in India. Okay, his name is Jimmy George. He is one of the famous player. Okay, volleyball player Jimmy George. Okay, and we can also see what is the spelling of volleyball. Okay, what is the spelling of volleyball? Can you read along with me? V-O-L-L-E-Y-B-A-L-L. Ball spelling you already know. Volley. V-O-L-L-E-Y. Volley. Ball. B-A-L-L. Okay. So the last match also you have seen. Which is that match? It is volleyball match. It is also one of the famous games. Okay. And in volleyball also there will be 2 teams with 6 players on both teams. Out of the 6, 3 will be standing in front and 3 will be standing on back. Okay. And it is played with a ball. The ball should not fall down. If it is falling down, this team will win. Like that. Okay. You understood. And who is the famous player in it? Jimmy George. And what is the spelling of volleyball? Yes. V-O-L-L-E-Y-B-A-L-L. Volleyball. V-O-L-L-E-Y. Volleyball. B-A-L-L. Okay, we had gone through all the games and I think that you had enjoyed all the matches here on the screen. So we will just have a look of all the names of game on the board and we will just read it out and we will wind up the class. Ready? Okay, look, which is the first one? Football. Very good. The second one? Badminton. Very good. The third one? Basketball. Very good. Then the fourth one? Cricket. Okay, very good. Next, today you had learned hockey. Okay. And the next one? Tennis. Very good. Then next? Kabaddi. Okay, and the last one which you had learned today is volleyball. Volleyball. Look, these games are very good for our health. It will keep us strong, keep our body strong. Okay, so always don't sit in front of mobiles. You have to play some games in your home also. Ready? Okay, inshallah we will meet in the next class and bye bye, see you and Assalamu alaikum.